Basic Malay with Miyuki.
Learning Malay in 30 days. Is it possible? Learning Malay in 30 days is a challenging but achievable goal and can also be a very rewarding one. If you are interested in learning Malay, here are some tips to help you achieve your goal in 30 days. 1. Set realistic expectations. It is impossible to become fluent in Malay in 30 days, but you can learn the basics and be able to have basic conversations. 2. Create a study plan. Decide how much time you can realistically commit to studying each day, and then create a schedule that fits your needs. For example, you could set aside 30 minutes each day to study Malay. 3. Use a variety of resources. There are many great resources available to help you learn Malay, such as textbooks, apps, online courses, and language partners. Experiment with different resources until you find ones that you enjoy and that fit your learning style. 4. Immerse yourself in the language. Watch Malay movies and TV shows, listen to Malay music, and read Malay books and articles. You can also find Malay speakers to practice with, such as through a language exchange website. 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning a new language. The important thing is to keep practicing and learning from your mistakes. Here are some specific activities you can do to learn Malay in 30 days. 1. Learn the basics of Malay grammar, pronunciation, and common phrases. 2. Join a Malay language class or club. 3. Take a trip to Malaysia or another Malay-speaking country. 4. Volunteer with an organization that works in Malaysia or with the Malay community. Don't give up. Learning a new language takes time and effort, but it is definitely worth it. I hope these tips help you on your journey to learning Malay. Good luck!
Upcoming video will be another interesting topic. Terima kasih.